Here's the General Electric Nautilus Dishwasher here, which I believe I filmed one before back in early 2021 or so. Open this up here. Has some stuff in it already. See, this is a sticker. This is model. Zoom in that. GSD3400G00WW. Yep, there's that. You got a controls here, which is for the cycles and everything. And here's the countdown timer. You can lock this and basically can use it. Nope. And when the machine is in use, it'll show the cycle on indicator there. But when it's off, then it will not come on at all. So anyway, that's about it.